So, the new RAV4, new generation. Yeah, this is the key. Teka, nakikita nyo ba? Oh, wala sa focus. Yeah, I went here. Ito sa mas malinaw. I hope you can see the key. Yan ah. So, new generation RAV4, man. Let's go. So, we're gonna begin here outside. Ito yung headlight niya eh, oh. Para siyang naka-letter E. Okay? Yan. So, design ng fog lights. Kita nyo? With the front sensor. Right? By the way, guys, this is the RAV4 LTD. The top of the line. Alright? So, sinabi ko lang top of the line siya, of course, kasi mas mataas yung price niya. Okay? And look at this emblem. Medyo mas maliit na siya compared. Look at this Avanza. The emblem versus this one, the new generation, 6th generation RAV4. A smaller emblem. Right? So, ito yung design ng bumper niya. Yan. Nice. And meron tayong gray accent under. Right? So, meron din tong side sensor. Mainly, ang purpose nito is yung sa parking assist niya. Guys. Yan. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sensors on the front. Right? So, also, sa back portion niya is 4 din yung sensor. And going here sa side mirror, unlock lang natin guys para okay, kita niyo yung side mirror. Gumalaw siya. Of course, being the RAV4, hindi na mawawala tong integrated signal light. Okay? Under is the what? 360 camera. And this sensor. Meron siyang paddle lamp dito Okay? And with smart entry. Try natin. Okay? And so nag-auto lock siya right now. Then try ko nga i-unlock. Okay? Kita nyo? Try ko ulit i-lock. Okay, ayan, nag-lock siya. So by just touching this one, itong sensor na to, mag-a-unlock siya. Okay, right now nag-lock na siya. Nice. So ito yung design ng mugs niya guys Yan. What size is this? 20. Mugs is 20. Okay, ang nakakabit na tires dito is Pro. Pro Sport. Okay? So ito yung na-mention ko kanina, yung additional sensor. Sa parking assist daw yan. Okay? So, kailangan yung parking nyo merong line guide para ma-detect nung computer at makapag-decide siya, makapag-process siya sa pag-park. So, ang back bumper natin is this. Nice. And equipped with 4 na sensors. Yan. So 4 yan plus these 2 sensors. So a total of 4 sa back. Then 4 also sa harap. Right? Nice. Look at this emblem at the back. Ang liit nito. Okay? Look at my watch pag pinagdikit ko. Grabe, ang liit. So it says here is E4. Right? So, 4-wheel drive siya, full-time 4-wheel drive. Okay, hindi mo siya ma-adjust ng 2-wheel drive. Hybrid E4. Okay? It's a hybrid 4-wheel drive. So, meron tayong third stop mount and a shark fin. And merong reflector dito. Okay? Yan. Alright. RAV4 LTD. Alright. Papasok tayo guys ha, don't worry ha. Papakita ko sa inyo also the monitor. So, cut ko lang, meron kaming trade-in dito. By appointment tayo ha. Mamaya kasi pagpunta nyo dito, wala yung appraisers namin. And also, kung meron kayong approval, kahit sa ibang brand pa yan, pwede mo yan i-transfer dito. Or kahit ibang unit. Okay? Pasukin na natin to. Stop recording. So, ito yung leather portion. Then, this one is hard plastic also. Under is plastic. And ito yung isang speaker niya. Okay? Cup holder extended. Right? Then, yan ang design ng window controls niya. Central lock. 4 na window panel. Central lock ng doors. Then what? Ito yung cursor na pang-adjust ng side mirror. Fold. Unfold. Then meron tong auto. Yan. Katulad ng dinemo kanina, kapag ina-unlock mo siya by the key or using the smart entry sa door handle is automatic mag-unfold tong side mirror. Okay? So, meron siyang seat memory. Dalawang seat memory niya. Ito, merong 1, meron 2. Ito yung button na pang set. Alright? So, yan, maganda. Yung isang set para sa driver nyo, yung isa para sa'yo. Okay? Door function. Nice. And automatic seat height adjuster. Ganda. Okay? Very convenient. And under is meron tayong ito yung pambukas ng gas niya. Okay? Then ito yung para sa hood niya. Right? Then ito yung control natin sa tailgate. Okay? Pwede nyo yung open and close the tailgate using this button. Let's go inside. Nice. So, ito, medyo may pagka-boxy type tong aircon vent ha. Malaki siya. Look at my hand. Yan o. Okay. Laki. Then, yan. Vent. And, ito naman yung adjustment ng ito, cursor. Pang-navigate ng settings dito. Okay. Back button. Voice command. Volume control. Up, down. Ina-up, down to guys. Ito, okay, so this one, itong dalawa is the skip button. Okay, ganda. Actually, yung design ng steering wheel niya, para siyang sa Prado. Okay. And dito naman is mode. So, ito yung shortcut mode niya. Okay. Nandito yung cruise control niya, tsaka dynamic cruise control. Dynamic cruise control, by the way guys, yun yung sumusunod. Okay. Yan, cancel button. Yan, nice, ang ganda. Dalawa yung monitor mo dito. Meron ka dito and meron din dito. Okay? So dito may button dito for the drive mode. Okay? Dito yung button for the EV mode. So pwedeng mag full electric siya. Okay? Then full electric or hybrid mode. Then dito naman may choices kung ano yung drive mode. Depende dun sa terrain mo. Okay? Kita nyo? Yan, ito yun. So, nakalagay dito trail or snow. Then, normal terrain. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, just like the BZ4X, dalawa yung charger natin. Okay? Pati itong front passenger mo is pwede rin siya mag-charge. Okay? So, dalawang wireless charger. Hazard button, aircon vent. Nice, ganda. So, bubuksan ko yan mamaya. Pakita ko lang na mabilis, okay? Pero hindi ko i-run everything. Right? Then, meron tayong charger dito na Type-C. Dalawa siya guys ha. Isa, dalawa. Okay? So, yan. Fast charger yung pwede natin i-charge na phone dyan. Okay? 45 watts ang naka-indicate. So, this one is the 360 view. And this one is the traction. This looks like a downhill assist. Okay. Guys, kakapasok ko lang dito. Sabay-sabay tayo. Apology kung yung ibang button hindi ko madidiscuss. And this one, aminin ko, hindi ko pa to alam. And okay, so ito yung tinatawag na shift by wire na cambio natin. Okay, ito na yung cambio natin, grabe. Ibang klase. So this is the park button, reverse, neutral, drive. And aminin ko sa inyo yung B, pero para siyang brake mode na ginagamit sa uphill or downhill. Okay, then ito naman yung electronic parking natin. It means ito na yung handbrake nyo. Then this one is the brake hold assist. Nice. Then ito yung dalawa nating cup holder. Ganda. Meron siyang dito ito gagalaw siya para mag-lock yung drinks nyo. Okay? So pakita ko lang tong monitor natin. Hindi naman sayang yung pag-click nyo, guys. By the way, this is the key, Yan yung design na susi niya. Ganda. Okay. So, yeah. Pinindot ko na yung power button right now. Okay. Yan. Kita nyo yung logo ng Toyota. Then, ayan yung starting nyo. Okay. Yan yung pag-start niya. Yan ang lumalabas. Alright. EV ready. Yan. Then dito sa nakikita ko meron siyang GPS. Meron siyang map na built-in. Aside dun sa gagamitin nyo na Waze kapag nakakonect na yung phone nyo, okay, sa nakikita ko is meron siyang built-in na map navigation. Okay. So pakita ko lang, try natin yan. Yan. Yan ang itsura ng no device currently connected. Yan. Okay. Yan yung map nyo. Wala nakakonect na phone dito pero meron siyang map right now. Yan, nakita niyo yung settings. Ayan yung mga settings nyo. So meron profile, Bluetooth, driving assist, vehicle customize, general settings, sound media, climate control. Ito yung pang choose mo ng drive mode, Okay? Normal, custom, sport, eco. Then may shortcut din dito. Ito yung na-mention ko. May shortcut din siya. Aside dyan sa button. Okay? Then, ayan. Ito yung aircon control nyo. Oh, yan na yung aircon control niya. Pwede dito sa touchscreen. Okay? Ito may rear vent, rear defogger, and front defogger. Yan. So, ito yung volume control natin. Yan. Okay. So, dito yung yan. So, actually, nakita ko to dati. Same sa Land Cruiser. Okay. So, kabilaan yung pag-open niya. Pwede yung sa front passenger. Then, dito. Actually, removable to Pwede mo siya i-turn upside down. Then, magiging tray siya. Okay. Hindi lang siya basta armrest. So, mako-convert siya into tray. Alright. So, ang seat design niya is, yan. Ganda. Full leather. Nice, with gray stitching. Then, meron pa rin tong glove box. Nice. Whereas dun sa naalala ko sa BZ4X, parang wala na ako nakitang glove box. Okay. Nice. Ganda. Another aircon vent. Okay. Then, JBL sound system. Yan, nakita niyo yung tweeter na yan. That is JBL. Also dito sa kabilang side. Okay. Nice, ganda. And ito yung sa passenger side niya. And by the way, itong passenger seat mo na to, this is also power adjust. Okay? Nice, power adjust yan. Then going at the headliner. Yan. Ito pa rin yung pag in-slide mo to, bubukas yung ilaw sa taas. Ayos ba? Alright. And then, ito nga yung ating control sa headliner. So, meron tong pang-open ng sunroof. So, ito yung door function. Yan ha. Touch siya guys ha. You don't have to push it. Gaganyan mo lang yung thumb mo. Then, naka-door function na siya. Okay. Yan. Yan. Yung design nitong ilaw na to, nakita ko to sa Alphard. Yan. Minimalist ang design niya, guys. Then, dito may mga controls para dun sa sunroof. Right? Nice. So, punta lang ako sa likod, guys, para makita niyo. Oh, wait. Makita ko lang tong driver side. Meron ding mirror, of course. And ilaw. Na each time bubuksan mo yan, bubukas yung ilaw. Okay. Nice. Going at the second row. Guys, sobrang konti ng units nito. Familiar naman kayo sa lahat ng interested na RAV4. Suggestion ko, marami tayong color choices, hindi lang isa. Dahil nga sobrang konti nito. Maraming clients ayaw maniwala. So, ang gagawin nila, tatawagan nila lahat ng branches. Given na large division na kami. Alright? So, yun. Meron akong strategy dyan na meron akong technique na isi-share ko sa inyo para hindi kayo ma-bluff ng ibang ahente. Just like my client na pwedeng magbigay ng testimonial na bluff na sila ng 3 dealer pa. More than 3 months sila nag-aantay. Okay? So, ito yung door panel ng second row, guys. Ha? Of course, window control. Yan, hawakan natin. And leather finish to. Okay? So, ano siya? Dark gray leather. Soft siya. Yan, malambot siya. Then, plastic. Isang cup holder. Another speaker. And ito yung design nung second row niya. Meron siyang aircon vent with ventilation. Kita nyo? Yan o. Napupush yan. So, pwede mo i-adjust. Dahil itong mga seats nito is may ventilation. Nakikita nyo yung mga small holes. Sana nakikita nyo. Okay. Meron siyang small holes. Right? So, meron ding charger yan. Okay? Merong 2 Type-C charger. Pero, sa front is 40 watts. Dito sa atin sa likod is 15 watts lang. Okay? Ito yung aircon vent natin, guys. Right? So, may lagayan pa rin tayo ng file. Napaka-importante niyan. Right? Then, ito na nga, guys, yung ating sunroof. Right? Bubuksan natin yan. Okay? So, ito yung cabin lamp natin. Nasa likod na siya actually. Oh. Yan oh. Kasi nga, meron tong sunroof. Okay? Meron ba tayong retractable armrest? Yun, ganda. Meron pa itong 2 cup holder. Solve. Nice. 3 ang headrest. 1, 2, 3. Right. Ganda. So, let's move sa third row. Sorry, third row sa cargo. So guys, meron tong kick sensor ha. Tatry ko lang ha. Okay, kita nyo yun. So, very ideal just in case may dala kayong baby, grocery, right? By using your foot para i-unlock yung tailgate. Okay. Then, ito yung cover na to, like na may mention sa mga ibang units. This one is for privacy to no cover. Okay, so yan nakalock siya. Umaangkla siya dito eh. So, hindi to advisable na patungan nyo na mabibigat. Pwede naman mga light. Pero main purpose nito is for privacy para hindi basagin yung salamin nyo. Especially, alam nyo naman yung mga basag salamin. Pag nakita dyan, example, may laptop, may backpack, pwedeng basagin yung cargo space nyo. And like I mentioned sa front, meron dalawang tweeter na JBL dahil meron ding JBL speakers dito. Nice, ganda oh. Okay, then merong power supply dito guys. Pwede nyo kabitan ng any na makakatulong dito, especially pwedeng ilaw, power supply lang, pero meron ng ilaw kasi dito eh. Okay, then ito yung na-mention ni Boss Miko, nandito yung tools niya guys. Okay, sana nakikita nyo ah. Okay, alright, nandyan ang tools natin nakalagay, hindi siya katabi nung spare tire. Okay, then may kabitan dito ng hook. Okay, yan. Just in case meron kayong cargo na kailangan na naka-lock on. So 1, 2, meron pa dito sa likod, 3 and 4. Ayan, 4 ang kabitan natin ng hook ng kable. So para naka-stay put yung cargo natin to whatever man ang cargo natin. By the way guys, spare tire natin is donut. Alright? Just enough para makapunta dun sa pagawaan. Okay? So meron pang tools dito. Okay? Nice. Okay, nandito yung pang-close natin ng tailgate. Okay? Close ko na guys ha. Papakita ko naman yung hood. Right? And that's the RAV4. Yeah. Nice. I'm just showing this again. E4 all-wheel drive RAV4. Tara, pakita ko muna yung hood. So, pakita ko lang guys, under the hood. Right. Yan ang ating hybrid engine. Okay. So guys, baka hinahanap nyo kung nasan yung standard battery natin ha. Nandun siya sa likod. Okay, dun siya nakatago. Wala dito yung standard battery natin kung hinahanap nyo. Okay? Nice. So that's under the hood guys for this RAV4 6th generation. So guys, that's the RAV4 6th generation. And by the way guys, baka meron kayong lumang units. Pwede nyo yan i-trade in dito sa bagong generation na RAV4. Pero guys disclaimer ko lang talaga to, sobrang konti lang ang RAV4. Highly suggested, meron kayong other color choice dahil baka mamaya hindi available yung gusto nyong color. Welcome naman kayo mag-ikot na mag-ikot kung saan may color. Pero guys, may bibigay ako sa inyong tip para hindi kayo ma-bluff. Dahil ang dami nagba-bluff, nakukuha na kayo ng reservation. So, meron kami trade-in. Yun na mention ko, most brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. And what else? By appointment yan Huwag kayo basta-basta susugod dito na mamaya wala yung appraiser, tapos kayo magagalit. Alright? Then, just in case meron kayo existing approval, pwede nyo i-transfer yan dito kahit sa ibang brand yung approval nyo. Or just in case, Hilux GRS ang approval mo, ang presyo kasi na Hilux GRS is almost 2.5. So, almost match na siya sa bagong generation na RAV4. So, guys, that's it. Visit my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Bye!